Asan ang punta ko? May bayad ko. But hindi ba kaya tuloy?
Hi guys, we're going to Walmart and come with us. Daddy is the driver as always.
Asan ang punta ko? Sa bahay. Bakit matulog? Bakit itay? So, we're going to grocery.
What are we gonna buy?
Comb. And we go home. Hi.
Hi.
Jervin.
Yeah.
Hey, hi.
Where?
Iya, ada kamu ah.
Hi.
No, ikan mati hotel.
Hi.
We're here. Bibili na ang hindi kailangan.
I don't like to walk.
Yeah. Hold please.
Careful. Ay, sorry, Mal. Sorry, Mal.
Balak tabo. Tabo dito.
Kakasuklay.
Hindi naman sila nagtatabo dito.
Tabo lang ang hirap eh.
Dito, anong kailangan tayo?
Ano bang bibilihin mo? Pang steak or ano?
Pura lang.
Ano nga, pang steak or yung kaserola yung pang mga sabaw?
Pag may, di dalawa ang may mismo rush.
Yaman. Dangan kung bibili ka yan, mauuwi natin sa Abu Dhabi.
Ganyan na lang, 12 lang.
Eh, siya steak dyan.
Oo, edi.
Ito na lang. Oh, 16.
16 times 3 yan. Boss.
Ito, oh, dalawa na oh.
Ano lang, sabaw, walang sabaw.
Oh, yun lang. How you doing there, bud?
About this. It's 3 pieces, 16 also.
Ito, mom.
Ito na lang, walk mahal oh. Para makapagsabaw ka din. O, itong isa. Ay, 38.
Dato bitin.
How about this?
No, no.
Huh?
Then, next is, what are we gonna buy next?
Tabo.
Comb. Cracker wanna take over the vlog. So, I'll let him borrow the camera.
Hello guys. Here I talk for my buy some comb. Good for mommy. Because hindi ba kaya tuloy? Ito, we buy tabo and comb.
Thank you. No, ano no, kitchen, bath. Ayun, bath.
Saan?
Ayun, bath.
Ito
Kitchen.
gano'n sa bag. Oh, thank you, love. It's okay, we will be careful.
Might go later.
We cannot see tabo, so we'll proceed to cling wraps. Mukhang wala na naman.
Hey, we buy that.
This one? I don't...
Ay, hindi na Islam. Sa'yo yun. Oh, text sa'yo. Ano yan?
Mommy, can you get it
DoorDash.
here?
We can get sabaw? I think that's for rice. Can I borrow the camera?
No.
Sure. Oh, you hold it.
Hello guys. We're going to Walmart.
We're here already.
Datagan. Datagan, Daddy. Mommy, datagan. Mommy, datagan, Mommy. Itagan, Mommy.
Huh?
Itagan.
The gun? What?
Ito agan.
Then, what are we gonna do with the gun?
Ito agan, Mommy.
Gray, you have lots of guns in Abu Dhabi. Ito, Dad. Got it. Mahal, ito yung sinasabi mong gusto mo. 3. Ito yung sinasabi mong gusto mo.
Yung bags o sa ano.
Kuha tayo. Kaso 40 pieces. Tsaka ito lang, ano na lang, 25 pieces.
Oh, yun.
Ito na lang.
Baka maliit yan.
Can you hold it? Got the disinfectant wipes. Why are you standing up? You might fall. Ano na?
Ihi mo na ako.
Bakit ano ba tinanong mo?
SIM card.
Saan daw?
Doon daw. Alam ko na. Pero ihi mo na ako. Ayun.
Okay. At sama mo na to.
Let's baby.
It's okay, you need to. Ugasan mo yung kamay, ha? Mahal, ugasan mo yung kamay, ha? SIM card.
I just need a SIM.
Hindi mo kailangan mag-load.
So that you can call me lang.
Ah, Daddy, bibilhin mo to. Refill card lang siya.
Oo nga, naghanap ako ng SIM.
Eto. 5. Hindi mo naman kailangan mag-load kasi meron namang data yung sa akin, di ba? So mag-hotspot ka na lang. Hey, why are you laying down? You feel sleepy?
No,
You're waiting so long for Mommy and Daddy to finish? Or it's okay to wait?
not okay.
Why?
Because I want to watch.
I know. We're outside. I might get your iPad. Okay, could you like this? Look. Oh. So you won't get bored. Come.
Parang hindi ko alam kung ano pinagkaiba nila doon.
Hindi mahirap kasama. Nagko-color lang. I love you. We're checking French fries only contains pure potato. What?
Honey,
We're checking. Maybe it has allergens. Kaso lahat may milk, may soya.
Mommy, I'm done.
Wow, that looks amazing.
But it's not very green.
It's okay, love. It's okay because we don't have green, right? Mahal, bili tayo alak.
Corona.
Corona. Para pagtulog ni Cray. Namuner. Ay na, yung 6 piece lang. Okay na yan.
Let's go.
Bye.
Grabe. Nung nagbabayad na, hindi pala sila tumatanggap ng Apple Pay. Only card and cash. Eh, wala kaming dalang card tsaka cash. Only Apple Pay. Ang epic shit. Ngayon, we're going back to the hotel. We'll get the physical card. Then we'll come back here. Para kaming nag-imaginary shopping. Okay, we're back. Pinalikan namin talaga. Kasi sayang. Ang sobrang lamig. Ay. Now, we're going home. Final na. We're going home na. Thank you so much for waiting, anak. Thank you. It was a hassle night, right?
Yeah.